Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and make a simple motor. You can see this is the simple stepper motor. Here we will make each and every part separately and assemble at the end of this video, and you will learn lot of things from this video. I hope you will like it. So let's see how to do in Solidworks. Let's start the first part of stepper motor. Base, choose front plane, sketch, keep the unit mm, and here choose center rectangle and draw a rectangle from origin point, and let's make the dimension 42.3 mm and the same vertical 42.3 mm. Okay, now here choose sketch chamfer and select here equal distance. We prefer 4 mm. Select all corners, select OK, and let's extrude it and extrude up to 12 mm. OK. Now select this front face, sketch normal, again choose center rectangle and draw a rectangle. Okay, now this time we will do one thing. Okay, better let's define the dimension 42.3 mm. Okay, now select this line and this line and make relation equal. Okay, that's it. Now choose again sketch chamfer, choose equal distance and we will prefer 7 mm, and again choose the all four corners. Select here OK. Okay, now the geometry is fully defined. Select extruded cut. We want to cut inside, not all. Let's say 2 mm depth. Okay. See. Now again select this face, sketch normal, select corner rectangle and draw a rectangle and choose here for construction. Okay, now select these two edges vertical and make relation equal. Now let's define 31 mm. Okay, now choose circle and draw the 4 circle at 4 corners. Okay, now define the diameter for one circle. Five mm. Okay. Select this all circles and make relation equal. Now this all circle become 5 mm. We want to change this diameter, make 3 mm. Okay, now this is small hole. Now let's select extruded cut and choose here through all. We want to make a 4 holes. Okay, this is the hole for bolting. Now again select this face, sketch normal, select center rectangle, select this point, or it's even no need for construction geometry. Okay, select circle, draw here 4 circles. Even you can directly put the circles there with the help of previous circle. Okay, first select all 4 circles and make relation equal. and keep the diameter 6.2 mm. Now let's start extruded cut and make the depth inside 3 mm. Okay. Choose fillet. Select 0.5 mm. Select this edge. Okay. Again choose fillet. Select 1 mm and select this outer edges. Okay. Select the center point, sketch normal, and here draw a big circle and keep the diameter 12 mm, 11 mm. Okay. Let's make a hole. So make the depth 5 mm. Okay. Again choose the inside face, sketch normal, and draw a small circle inside and keep the diameter 5 mm. Select extruded cut. Choose here through all. Okay. Keep fillet 1 mm. Select this face. Okay. Now this is the base ready. So we will assign the material. So just simply click appearance, metal, and go to chrome, and I'll prefer to add chrome finish. This is too light, satin finish chrome. See here. Now save this part, go to desktop, create a new folder, stepper motor. And this is the part 1, and select base. Save. Let's make the next part. Let's do the next part, back plate. Back plate also same as it's similar to base plate. So choose front plane, and initial 2 steps are same. Draw a rectangle and define the relation. Select this vertical and horizontal line, make relation equal. Now let's define 42.3 mm. Okay, choose here chamfer, select 4 mm equal, and yes, select all 4 corners. Okay, define this vertical length also. Okay, now the geometry is fully defined. So simply extrude 12 mm as similar base plate. Again choose the front face, sketch, front face, sketch, choose center rectangle, draw a rectangle. First make the relation equal. Now let's define 42.3 mm. This also the same. Choose here sketch chamfer and make 7 mm edge. Select yes. select all edges. Now still it's showing our geometry is not fully defined, so choose smart dimension and define any one length. Okay, so now it is fully defined. Go to feature and select extruded cut command and cut up to 3 mm inside. Make 2 mm inside. Okay, now go back, select this back surface sketch, and here we want to create a big circle and we want to extrude it. Keep the diameter 22 mm. Okay, and select extruded boss. Now extrude 2 mm. Okay, select this face sketch normal and make here 11 mm hole, 11 dia hole, and keep the depth. Let's go to feature extruded cut and I prefer depth 7 mm. Select inside face sketch and here we want to create a throughout hole, a small hole. Keep the diameter 5 mm and select extruded cut and keep here through all. Okay, see, select fillet, keep 1 mm corner radius and select this outer edges. Okay, again choose fillet and this time select 0.5 mm radius. Select these two circles and outer circle. Okay, again choose this face sketch normal and here we want to create a hole. First we will make a path, so choose center rectangle. Select here for construction geometry. First make a relation equal. Draw here circles, 4 circles at all corners. Okay, make a relation, select all the circles and make relation equal. Okay, now let's define the diameter 3 mm and select 31 mm. Now this geometry is fully defined, so just select extruded cut and keep the depth 3 mm. Okay, now again keep radius 0.5 mm and select upper edge. Okay, now go to appearance, satin finish chrome. See, now save this part to back plate. Let's make the next part, body. Now let's make the middle part, body. So choose front plane sketch, select here center rectangle, draw a rectangle. Okay, first we will make the relation equal. Now we will define 42.3 mm. Okay, choose here sketch chamfer 7 mm. Okay, select all 4 edges. Okay, choose smart dimension 42.3 mm. Now this is the main body shape. Okay, now choose here offset entities, select 5 mm, select inside. Okay, now select extruded boss, extrude up to 24 mm. Okay, now this is the main part of body. It is just a model, not the real body. Go to appearance, go to iron and select cast iron. See, this is the cast iron material. Let's save the part number 3, body. Let's do the next part. The next part is axial rod. Choose front plane, sketch, draw a circle with 5 mm diameter. Okay, and extrude it up to 68 mm. Okay, now select this face, sketch and draw here a circle. Make sure it is midpoint and keep the diameter 2 mm. We want to make a hole inside up to 10 mm depth. Extruded cut, make the depth 10 mm only. Okay, choose fillet, 0.25, select this face. Okay, we will define some material. Go to steel, choose polished steel. Okay, now save this part number 4, axial rod. Now here let's do the next part, pulley. Choose front plane, sketch, draw a vertical and horizontal line first, construction line. Okay, now start. Draw a taper line and connect up to this line. Exit. Choose again this line. Let's draw a line, then draw a line up to here. Exit. Now connect this both the points. Now let's define 14.8 mm, 14.8 mm, 8 mm, 8 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm. Let's make this height 0.5 mm. Okay, make 1 mm. Okay, now select this point and this point make relation horizontal. So now this area is fully defined. Keep 3.2 mm, 0.3 mm, 0.3 mm. Okay, choose fillet 0.1 mm and select this corner. Okay, okay, okay. This area is fully defined. Now let's concentrate another area. Keep 7 mm. Okay. Delete these lines. Make one more relation. Select this line and this line. Make relation parallel. Okay. Now choose a line. Connect with this line. Exit. Now let's define it. One mm, 1.84 mm, keep 2 mm. Okay, choose chamfer. 0.5 mm, select this corner. Okay. Make relation parallel. Now the geometry is fully defined. So just go to feature and select revolve boss base command. Select this bottom line as a axis. Okay. Now see, this is the body of pulley. Select this face sketch and here we want to create a hole. So draw a 5 dia hole, 5 diameter circle. Okay, and select extruded cut. Choose here through all. Okay. Now see, a throughout hole is created. Now here also we want to make some cutouts. Edit. Let's define this gap. By default 6.4. Okay. Exit. Now select this face. Sketch. Normal. Draw a center line. Exit. Delete this. Select this point and this circle and make relation coincide. Now choose circle and draw here a circle. Keep the diameter 2 mm. Okay, now we want number of pattern, so choose here circular pattern. Select the center point as a axis. Select the circle and make 14 number of holes. Select here 14. Okay, select extruded cut. Reverse direction, keep 7 mm only, because this is the center gap is 7 mm. Select OK. Now see, the pulley shape is cut. This is the shape for chain or belt. Chain or belt will move through this face. Now choose front plane, sketch normal. First draw a horizontal line. Exit. Select circle and draw a circle here, and let's keep the diameter 3 mm and the distance of circle from origin point keep 3 mm. Okay, now select extruded cut. Keep reverse direction throughout. Okay, now see, this hole is created. Make chamfer 0.2 mm. Okay, now let's define the material. We will select polished aluminium, it looks better. So this is the pulley. Let's save it. A stepper motor. Let's make the assembly of stepper motor. This is simple motor. Select new assembly. Okay, now this is the SolidWorks assembly window. So let's start. We will browse the parts one by one. Make the parts bigger. You can choose here larger. So first part we will select base. Choose plain white. Okay, now browse our next part. Choose body and also back plate. Okay, now choose matte. We will make first this part, this face, coincident, select this face, clear, select inside wall and this face, coincident relation. See, the body is fixed here. Select this face, coincident, this face, coincident, take it out. No, we don't want this relation. Delete. Rotate the part. It should be like this. Okay, now choose coincident, select this face and this face, coincident. Now see, The almost body shaped is ready. Okay, now let's browse the next part, axial rod. And the last part, select pulley. Now select this rod met and select this inside hole, make relation concentric. Okay, now just drag the out, select back surface and back wall, coincident relation. Okay, now here we want to add some bearing, so just go to our design library. If you will go to design library, you will find toolbox here, and here choose NC matrix. First we want to add bearings, so go to bearings, ball bearings, instrument ball bearings, drag it here. Now it is asking the dimension and everything. We want size 50 by 11, 00501, number of ball 10, it's up to you. Add cage, show balls, everything, select OK. Now it is asking you need one more, so place here one. Now we need two enough, select cancel. Choose mat, select this hole and this rod, make relation concentric. OK, select inside face and this side face. OK, now the bearing is fixed inside, you can see it here. Okay, we want to add one more bearing here, select this face and this face. Cancel this. Last bearing, one relation, delete. Take it out and make relation met up to this wall. Okay, now this better. Now again make the same relation, inside hole and rod, concentric relation. Okay, now drop this bearing out backward side. Now select this face and this face, coincident. Okay, now you can see here the bearing is attached, see it is rotating. Now let's add the last part. First rotate this part. Okay, now select this inside hole, mat and this rod. Okay, now we will create one relation, so the both will be fixed. Adjust according to you. Select lock, select this body and this part. Okay, now cancel. Now you can see rod and both the part rotate together. Okay, now let's go to design library, toolbox, metric, bolts and screw, socket head screw, socket head, cap screw we want. Make M 3.5 and length keep 5 mm. Schematic. Okay, put one here and cancel. We selected 2, I think, so delete one actually inside, so that's why I deleted. Choose this whole matte and select this face, make reverse. Okay, just take it out. Select this face and this reverse. Okay, now see the relation is created. Now this pulley is fixed with this face. Now just go back, cancel. Now here backside we want to add some screw. Design library, NC metric. Choose here bolt and screw, machine screw, and we will select here pan cross head. Okay, choose here M3, length 0.5, thread length, set simplified schematic. Okay, so select here 4 numbers. Okay, now we will define one by one. Matte. Okay, change transparency. This one also click change transparency, this whole inside, so take it out. Now again click this part, select this face, matte, this face. Okay, select this 3 and delete. Now we will use copy matte method to copy here. Copy with matte, select the bolt. Now select here hole and choose face. Now see here. Okay, again choose the hole and face. Okay, the last make select hole and face. Okay, this is very useful tool in assembly. So now this is the our assembly, it is ready. I hope you like it. Now first save our assembly. Right click this bar, choose motion manager, go to motion study, and we will give some basic motion to this. So choose first, drag it up to 6, motor, and select this face and give RPM 50 revolution per minute. Okay, play. See, it's playing. You can select loop this. I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in Solidworks. Don't forget to share and like our videos. Thanks for watching.